What do you see? Ace of what? What do you see? The ace of what? Keep going. What do you see? The ace of what? Okay. Keep going. Maybe one more. Or just forget about it. Don't matter. What do you see? All right. That's like 4 of them, right? Now, what do you see? Find them. Anywhere. Take your time. It's bolted in. You think that little cough made it disappear? You tripping now. Actually, you know what? I think I know where they went. They're not even in there anymore. Even though they were bolted shut. That cough I did. I smell something. I smell something. Look at that. Still has the holes in them too.